We have learned that if we have to multiply a number by itself many times, we use the exponent form to write it. So if we have to write 5 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5 in exponent form, we write it as 5 raised to 3. 5 is called the base and 3 is called the exponent. The number in the superscript, that is the exponent, can also be referred to as the power or the index. In our videos, we will use the term power to refer to the exponent. Let's try and understand how it works the other way around. What if we are given the exponent form, like 7 raised to 4? It's simple. We write it as 7 multiplied by 7 multiplied by 7 multiplied by 7. We just write 7 4 times. Now we move on to something interesting. We will now look at exponents of negative numbers, which means we will look at exponents with a negative base. Here's our first example. Minus 4, the whole raised to 2. In this example, the base is negative 4. Hence, it equals negative 4 multiplied by negative 4. We know that we get a positive number when we multiply two negative numbers. So this would equal 16. Now we've been asked to find minus 4 raised to 3. It will equal minus 4 multiplied by minus 4 multiplied by minus 4. Minus 4 times minus 4 is 16, and 16 multiplied by minus 4 gives us minus 64. Let's solve two more examples with a negative base and we will get an interesting result. Let's solve minus 2 the whole raised to 5. That would equal minus 2 multiplied by minus 2 multiplied by minus 2 multiplied by minus 2 multiplied by minus 2. Minus 2 multiplied by minus 2 gives us 4. Again, minus 2 multiplied by minus 2 gives us 4. And we write minus 2 as is. That equals 16 multiplied by minus 2, which equals minus 32. And here's the last example. Minus 3 raised to 4. This can be written as minus 3 multiplied by minus 3 multiplied by minus 3 multiplied by minus 3. This would give us 9 and so would this. And 9 multiplied by itself equals 81. So what's so special about negative base exponents? Observe the power and the result in each case. In the first example, the power is even and the result is positive. In the fourth case too, the power is even and the result is positive. In the second and the third case, the powers are odd and the results this time are negative. So let's form a table with power and the result as our columns. If the base of the exponent is negative and if the power is odd, then the results will always be negative. And if the power is even, then the result will always be positive. Now assume you're asked a question like this. Minus 1081 the whole raised to 77. You are asked if the result is positive or negative. The first thing we should observe is that the base is negative. Next, we look at the power. The power is 77, which is odd. Hence, the result will be negative. Remember, we are not talking about negative exponents. We are looking at the exponents with a negative base. Negative exponents would mean the power or the index is negative. We will look at negative exponents in another video. There's one last thing you need to know about exponents with a negative base. It's the importance of parentheses. Look at these two exponent forms. Minus 3 in parentheses raised to 4 and just minus 3 raised to 4. This can be written as minus 3 multiplied by minus 3 multiplied by minus 3 multiplied by minus 3. That would equal 81. And this can be written as minus 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3, which equals minus 81. In the second case, the minus sign does not get locked with 3 since we have not included the parenthesis. The second case hence will not be considered a negative base exponent.